Assalamu alaikum, this is Shazib Already, and here we are with, talking with ChatGPT about how to think creativity and solve problems effectively. Welcome everyone. Today we are discussing how to think creativity, creatively and solve problems effectively. Creative thinking helps us see problems from new angles, find a smart solution, and make better decisions in life and work. Let's explore this topic through some thoughtful questions with ChatGPT. Now we will welcome to ChatGPT and talk about this. Assalamu alaikum. Hello ChatGPT. Welcome.
Hey there, how's it going?
Hello
I'm here.
ChatGPT. Are you listening to me?
Absolutely, I'm here to help. Just let me know what you need and we can dive right in.
I want to talk about how to think creatively and solve problems effectively. Kindly please answer my questions and brief what is creatively and effectively problems solving. My first question is, what does creative thinking means to you?
That sounds like a great topic. Creative thinking definitely plays a huge role in problem solving. It's all about approaching challenges from different angles, generating innovative ideas, and connecting dots that might not seem obvious at first. If you want, we can break down some key concepts and examples as well.
And my second question is, why is creative thinking important in daily life?
Absolutely. Creative thinking is basically the ability to look at situations from fresh perspectives, come up with original ideas, and break away from conventional thought patterns. It's important not just in problem solving, but also in everyday life, helping you adapt, innovate, and overcome obstacles in unique ways. It's definitely a skill that can be developed and honed over time.
And what is problem solving?
Problem solving is the process of identifying a challenge or an obstacle and then finding effective solutions to overcome it.
And what is
It
the
usually involves.
difference between creative thinking and logical thinking?
Great question. Creative thinking is all about generating new, innovative ideas, often outside of conventional boundaries. It focuses on imagination, brainstorming, and exploring multiple possibilities. On the other hand, logical thinking is more about reasoning, analyzing information systematically, and drawing conclusions based on facts and logic. Both are complementary and often work hand in hand to effectively solve problems.
Nice. Why do people struggle to solve problems sometimes?
That's a really interesting point. Sometimes when we're stuck on a problem, stepping away or taking a break allows our mind to relax and subconsciously process the information. It often leads to those aha moments where solutions just come to us more naturally. It's also a great way to reduce stress and gain a fresh perspective.
Can anyone learn to think creatively?
Absolutely. Creative thinking is definitely a skill that can be developed with practice. Some ways to nurture it include engaging in brainstorming sessions, exposing yourself to new experiences and perspectives, practicing curiosity, and even trying out creative exercises like mind mapping or lateral thinking puzzles. Over time, these practices help build and strengthen your creative muscles.
And how does curiosity support creativity?
Curiosity plays a huge role in creativity because it drives us to explore, ask questions, and seek out new knowledge. When we're curious, we're more likely to dive into unfamiliar areas, make unexpected connections, and experiment with different ideas. Essentially, curiosity fuels the desire to learn and discover, which in turn nurtures creative thinking.
And can mistakes help us think more creatively?
Absolutely. Mistakes are actually a crucial part of the creative process. They provide valuable learning opportunities, help us see what doesn't work, and often lead us to new insights or alternative solutions. Embracing mistakes with an open mind can encourage experimentation, resilience, and ultimately lead to more creative breakthroughs.
Create information from your side, and how does fail block creative thinking?
Definitely. Fear can sometimes hold us back by making us hesitant to take risks, try new things, or step out of our comfort zones, which are all essential for creative thinking. On the other hand, when we acknowledge and manage that fear, we can actually use it as a motivator to push our boundaries and explore more creatively. Over time, developing a growth mindset can help us overcome that fear and foster a more innovative approach.
What role does imagination play in creativity?
Imagination's like the fuel for creativity. It allows us to envision possibilities that don't yet exist, to think beyond the present reality, and to create unique ideas and solutions. It's what helps us dream big, visualize different scenarios, and ultimately bring new concepts to life. In essence, imagination lays the foundation for creative thinking and innovation.
And how does listening to others improve problem solving?
Listening to others is incredibly valuable for problem solving because it opens us up to diverse perspectives and ideas. When we actively listen, we can gain new insights, uncover details we might have missed, and foster collaboration. It also helps in building trust and encourages a more inclusive environment, which in turn leads to more creative and effective solutions.
Uh, Creative thinking helps in career growth or not?
Absolutely. Creative thinking can really set you apart in a career. It helps you find innovative solutions, adapt to changing environments, and stand out as a forward thinker. It can also boost your problem solving skills, improve teamwork, and even open up new opportunities for innovation and leadership. Overall, it's definitely a valuable asset in any professional field.
How can daily challenges improve creative skills?
Storytelling is a fantastic way to boost creative skills because it encourages you to think imaginatively, structure ideas cohesively, and engage your audience emotionally. By crafting narratives, you learn to explore different perspectives, experiment with language and imagery, and connect disparate ideas in creative ways. Over time, storytelling hones your ability to think outside the box and develop more innovative solutions.
There are last two questions for you. Can technology support creative problem solving? And what is one creative habit you want to develop?
Absolutely. Technology can support creative problem solving in so many ways. For example, digital tools can help with brainstorming, collaboration, and even prototyping ideas quickly. AI and data analytics can provide insights and inspiration, while design software allows for more creative expression and experimentation. As for a creative habit, one thing I love to do is keeping a creativity journal. I jot down random ideas, observations, or inspirations whenever they strike. It helps keep the creative juices flowing and often sparks new ideas.
Thank you, ChatGPT. Uh, to conclude, creative thinking is a power skill that helps us solve problems effectively and confidently. When we stay uh, curious, open minded, and willing to learn, every challenge becomes an opportunity to grow. Keep thinking creatively and keep solving problems smartly. Thank you, ChatGPT, and thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.
That was a wonderful summary. Absolutely, keeping an open mind and embracing creativity really does make a big difference in problem solving. I'm glad we could chat about all of this, and I'm always here